we will guide you through how to change Photoshop to dark mode. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and wait for the workspace to finish loading. Click Edit in the top menu to open the application options. From there, select Preferences, then choose Interface to open the controls that affect Photoshop's overall appearance. Locate the Color Theme section near the top of the Interface Preferences, where 4 different shades are displayed. Review the 4 available user interface themes and choose the shade that feels most comfortable for your workspace and viewing environment. To use dark mode, click the darkest theme option. Photoshop will update the interface immediately. If you want to make the interface even darker, you can optionally press the Ctrl, Shift, and F1 keys together to move to the next darker shade. To make the interface lighter again, press the Ctrl, Shift, and F2 keys together, repeating the shortcut if needed until you reach the shade you prefer. Next, find the standard screen mode options and choose a background color if you want to change the area surrounding your image while working in the regular Photoshop window. Apply the same type of background choice to full screen with menu bar so that view uses a color that suits your preference. Then customize the background color for full screen mode, which controls the canvas surroundings when Photoshop hides the menus and fills the display. If you work with artboards, adjust the artboard's background color as needed so the area around multiple designs is easy to distinguish and comfortable to view. Review the interface theme and each screen mode background choice. Then click OK to save all your changes and close the Preferences window. Finally, close Photoshop, open it again, and confirm that the selected theme and background settings are still applied when the application starts.